As of fall of 2011, approximately 26,000 undergraduate students attend MU, and hundreds of these students take part in undergraduate research. Adair is one of these researchers. Adam is a senior at MU and studying plant sciences with an emphasis in breeding, genetics, and biotechnology. His research in Dr. James Schulz's Plant Virus Biotechnology Lab focuses on understanding how viruses infect and spread inside of plants. For example, in one of his experiments, Adam genetically modifies viruses to better understand how similar natural plant viruses cause infection. In the summer of 2011, Adam's research led him to a discovery. He witnessed CKL3, which is a protein found in the Arabidopsis plant, interacting with a protein from cauliflower mosaic virus in the host epidermal tissue. This is important because it could allow researchers to find new methods of virus infection inhibition. Because there haven't been publications about this occurrence, this was the first time this phenomenon had been observed in live plant tissue. Despite his success with this discovery and other aspects of his research, Adam sometimes finds failure as a result of an experiment.
Nothing really makes an experiment particularly difficult, just more frustrating when you dedicate a lot of time to something and you put a lot of effort in and you really care about what you're doing and you don't get any results. Like, even a negative result would be fine with me. It answers a question and it lets me move on.
I think the most frustrating thing is when you get a non-answer. Sometimes if you get a definitive answer, even if it's something you don't want, there's a certain amount of satisfaction in that, because at least you know that you've answered the question. There's a lot of satisfaction in knowing something that other people don't know, even if it's kind of small.
And sometimes, you're answering a question that in theory has never been answered before. It might not be the most important question or it's a huge, broad question, but the data you found may have been seen by nobody else in the world besides the immediate people that are in your lab. And that's incredible to me. That's incredible that there's knowledge that I supposedly possess that nobody else in the world theoretically knows.
Sometimes these discoveries, no matter how small, can lead to big outcomes for the science community and beyond. Take Rosalind Franklin, for example. She learned X-ray diffraction techniques in Paris after her collegiate career. She returned to England to work as a research associate in John Randall's lab, where she worked on DNA. Franklin was close to solving the structure of DNA, but was beaten out by physicist Francis Crick and biologist James Watson. Watson and Crick's discovery of the double helix structure is controversial because of their use of Franklin's X-ray diffraction data without her knowledge or consent. They won the Nobel Prize while her work went unrecognized despite her critical role in understanding the DNA structure. Her research led to a big discovery that changed the understanding of modern science. Although Adam's discovery may not be considered big, it could eventually help solve mysteries in plant sciences.